Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Zoom admin settings for SSO and role mappings, full guide step by step clearly. Log into your Zoom account as an admin. Once you're logged in, navigate to the admin section on the left sidebar. Click on Account Management to access account settings. Select Account Settings to view the available options. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Single Sign-On. Toggle the Single Sign-On option to enable it if it is not already activated. Enter the required SSO information, including the identity provider metadata URL. Save your changes by clicking the Save button at the bottom of the page. Next, go to the User Management section in the left sidebar. Click on Roles to manage user role assignments. Choose a specific role you wish to update or create a new one. Within the role settings, locate the option for SSO login settings. Make adjustments to the role mappings based on your organization's requirements. Ensure that any necessary permissions are checked for the selected role. Once you've made the necessary adjustments, click Save to apply the changes. Now, navigate back to the User Management section. Click on Users to see a list of all users in your account. Identify the user whose role you need to update. Select the user's name to access their profile settings. In the user profile, locate the role drop-down menu. Choose the appropriate role that corresponds with your updated settings. Save the user profile changes to complete the role mapping. Finally, log out and back in or ask users to do so to ensure the new settings take effect. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.